Wolfgang is a Filipino rock band formed in January 1992 in Manila. The group is notable for being the only Filipino rock band to release albums in both Japan and the United States, and for realizing platinum record sales in their home country. After 10 years, the original lineup split in 2002. Wolfgang reformed in 2007 with a new drummer. Vocalist Basti Artadi, born Sebastian Artadi, and drummer Wolf Gemora, born Leslie Gemora, began their musical careers with other local bands, while guitarist Manuel Legarda returned to the Philippines from living in Spain. Gemora was inspired to form a band upon frequenting shows by the rock group Razorback. He invited Legarda to join him, and eventually, the two found Basti Artadi singing with his band, Sin City. Upon Legarda's invitation, Artadi joined the duo. In their first few months, the group went through a number of bass players. They eventually met Moan Legaspi, who became their permanent bassist. They initially dubbed themselves the Wolfpack and later adopted the name Wolfgang upon the suggestion of David Aguirre, one of the guitarists of Razorback. They began to play live gigs at Weekends Live at the Atrium and the now defunct Kalay Bar in Makati. Their first big break came when they were invited to perform on Channel 29's RJ Junior Jam. Wolfgang submitted demos of two original compositions, Darkness Fell and Left Alone, to local radio stations DWRT 99.5 and DWLA 105.9 in 1994, which generated many listener requests. The band signed with Tone Deaf, the rock label of local independent Ivory Records. They released their first album, the eponymous Wolfgang, in 1995. The group flexed their artistic skills making the record, with Artadi responsible for the cover art, rendering caricatures of himself and the other band members amidst earthy symbols, beer bottles, and cigarettes, and Legarda using an electric fan to simulate an effect he had in mind for the song Cast of Clowns. Wolfgang went platinum in less than a year and got regular airplay on DWLA 105.9 and DWNU 107.5 at the 1995 NU 107 Rock Awards. Manuel Legarda won the Guitarist of the Year award, tied with Mike Villegas of Resol Underground. With members of Razorback and Wolfgang used to jamming on stage as the Flaming Hemorrhoids, it was not a surprise when in January 2007, members of both groups got together for a reunion concert at the Music Museum. On hand were Basti Artadi, Tirso Ripple, Louis Talin, Kevin Roy, Mon Legaspi, Brian Velasco, Miguel Ortegas, and Manuel Legarda, as well as Francis Aquino, who would go on to become Wolfgang's new drummer. Wolf Gemora and David Aguirre, however, were unable to join as their commitments at the time were with Locomotive. During the gig, Wolfgang played an all-new song, and Artadi made a comment about working on a fresh album. 37, the first single from this record, Death Squad, hit the airwaves via local rock radio station NU107 on April 16, 2007. The new album was unique in that digital technology was used for the band members to exchange recorded parts online, since most of them were based overseas. In an interview, Artadi was quoted as saying that Wolfgang never did break up and circumstances simply led to the band members going along different paths. However, they always left the door open so that if ever the opportunity arose and we could get some work together, then sure, why not? Artadi's health condition. In 2009, Basti Artadi was diagnosed with a tumor in his head, located on the nerves that control the right side of his face, leading to partial paralysis. He was told by doctors that his condition could cause him to not be able to talk or sing. To date, Artadi has been able to continue in his musical activities despite the tumor. In May 2017, Artadi returned to performing after having a facial tumor operation. Death of Mon Legaspi. Mon Legaspi, the band's longtime bassist, who had also played with the bands The Dawn and Contra, died of cardiac arrest on October 3, 2022. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.